Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine, good. I'm also good and fine. So, we had started our revision for the chapters and for the half-yearly examination. Okay. Chapter 1 we had completed, my family and I. Okay. Hope you all have done it and you are revising it properly. Now we will be going to the second chapter, that is houses. So houses though you all are aware of, and we had done it very properly also. So we made so many houses. We made the house with the paper cutting, and then we decorated our house, and we find out the what color your bedroom are, your drawing room are. Okay. So today's learning objective of our class will be revision of the chapter. Okay. So as we started with the let's begin. When we started with let's begin, on page number 15 we had this page, and we had drawn the diagram of a house. Okay, house का draw किया था ना. After this we have moved on to the next page, and that was page number 16, and there we find let's find out. The topic was let's find out, and then we have learned in that shelter. We have learned about shelter. Okay, so what is a shelter? Okay, and who needs a shelter? You need a shelter. Okay, but all the animals also need a shelter, and they make also, who make the nest? Birds. Birds make the nest. What is the nest for them? It's a shelter for them. Okay, so many animals like lion, tiger, what they do, they stay in a cave. That cave is their shelter. Okay, honey bee, they make beehives, and in that they stay. Okay, so that is the shelter. So we will know that what even not only the animals, not only the human beings, animals also need a shelter. Okay, now what is the importance of shelter? If we have the shelter, we can save ourselves from cold, heat, enemies, strangers. Okay, we have learned this all things on page number 16. Okay, then generally we stay at a place where we can get the food easily. Okay, but we make a house also depending upon the requirements. Okay, so we have three main concern for making a house. Very first, any shelter, any house we make depending upon the climate. Okay, the first one is climate. Okay, then whatever the material is available, the second one is whatever the material available, we use that. Okay, जो nearby हमको material मिलेगा, हम उससे ही तो अपने घर को बनाएंगे. Shall we? Okay, so first one is the climate, second one is the material. Okay, and the third one, the requirement. Some people need big house, some people need small house, some people need the basement. Okay, some people need the roof. So it's depending upon the requirement also we make our houses. Okay, then we had done the let's try one, that I'll be discussing afterwards, and in this one is there, let's try one में 1 and 2 है, जो कि हम जब books देखेंगे at that time we will be discussing. Okay, after that we come to the page number 17, and there we have the types of houses. There we have types of houses. Okay, so here we have the types of houses. In this we have learned about the sack, that is made by the poor people. Shack is made by the poor people, which is made by the waste material. That is made by the waste material like broken pipes, drums, clothes, newspapers, and plastic sheets. All which we generally throw, the people use and you reuse, utilize it to make their shelter. Okay, then hut. This sack is made in the town or city. The hut is made in the village by poor people only. Okay, because they don't have to that much of money to buy the big big construction material like cement, brick, or rods. Okay, iron rods, all these things. So this hut is made by the wood, mud. Okay, and bamboos. Okay, so thatches are there. So A poor person house is sack, which is made in the town. A poor person's house which is made in the village is hut. Okay. Then when we go to Shimla or we go to Manali, what type of houses we find? We find the cottage. Okay. The cottage is made in a cold region and it is made by the thick stones to keep the house warm. Okay. Then we have the bungalows. Okay. Bungalows are big house with a garden in front. Okay. And if the bungalow is made in a farm, this is known as the farmhouse. Okay. When a bungalow you make in a farm, it is known as a farmhouse. Okay. Then we have the people nomads. I told you about the nomads. Nomads are the people who keep on traveling from one place to another place. They always keep on traveling to one place to another place, and so they have the movable their houses also, their shelter also. So tent is generally made, and that is made by the canvas or nylon sheets. Okay. And this is a movable house. Okay. Now there is another house that is on wheel. A house on wheel is called caravans. Okay. This caravans is also a movable house, but it is made in a vehicle. Okay. जो एक गाड़ी को हम एक बस को या किसी एक व्हीकल को जब हम घर में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं तो उसको हम कावास बोलते हैं. ठीक है. और दैट इज ऑल्सो अ मूवेबल हाउस. ओके. देन when we go to Kashmir and Dal Lake, okay, there we can see that the big boat is there. On that boat we have very really big houses. Okay. And these big houses are they are made on the boat, and that is called the houseboat. Okay. That is called the houseboat. Okay. Then in a place where always water logging is there. ठीक है. जहाँ पे हमेशा पानी लगा रहता है और बहुत सारे डेंजरस एनिमल्स जो हैं वो उस पानी में रहते हैं, तो उनसे बचने के लिए व्हाट द पीपल ऑफ आसाम दे डू, दे मेक द स्टिल्ट हाउस. ओके. ये बैम्बू पे या पिलर्स पे बने हुए हाउस होते हैं, और उसमें चढ़ने और उतरने के लिए टू गो इनसाइड द हाउस एंड टू कम बैक फ्रॉम द हाउस, व्हाट हैपन, वी सिंपली यूज द लेडर. ओके. और लेडर से निकाल के हम वी कम डाउन, एंड देन अगेन इफ द पर्सन वांट टू गो इनसाइड द हाउस, दे आस्क फॉर लेडर, and as soon they climb up, they take the ladder back. Okay. So these are the houses which are called the stilt houses. Then we have the apartments. Now you are in the city and you can see the big buildings are there, where many flats are there. Okay. Many houses are there. It is generally made because there is a scarcity of land. Okay. ज़मीन तो बहुत कम है पर लोग बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, तो उनके रहने के लिए घर चाहिए. तो इन दैट केस व्हाट वी डू, वी मेक one floor, 2 floors, sometimes we make the more than 10 or 12 floors also. Okay. And that is called the apartment, and a house in apartment is called a flat. Okay. So we have this now you have to think the house which we can make in the Arctic region. Okay. जहाँ पे हमेशा स्नो रहता है. Okay. Then we also know that houses which are made in the cold region, they have the sloping roof, so that the rainwater and snowfall, whatever falls, that goes in down directly. Okay. And then the houses which are made in the plains. Okay. Plains में जो houses बनते हैं, they have the flat roof, and that flat roof is used in the winters to take sunbathing, summers to sleep in the night, and children play also, people do party also. Okay. So there is a difference of the houses. Okay. So after that we had the let's try 2, where you have to identify the houses. Okay. And then let's try 3, you have to find out the houses. Okay, and then with this I'm going I'll be telling you showing you once again, telling you the answer also of all these, and if required I'll send you the answer also in a written form. Okay, so let us see how we will be doing this. So students, this is our chapter number 2 and houses. Okay, let's begin. We started with making a house and decorating it, like coloring it. Okay, and then we come to the next page, that is, let's find out. Okay, in that we have the shelter. Okay, we learn about the shelter, that animals and animals as well as human beings, we all need the houses. Okay, shelter, and then depending upon these three things, we are constructing our house. Okay, climate of the place, then we have material available, then according to their requirement. Okay, according to our requirements. Okay, now we have the let's try one, and here we have, why do you think humans build houses? Select the correct reason by putting a tick mark on the correct answer. Okay, then we built houses because houses give us shelter and keep us safe. Okay, the second is okay, so we built a house to have a shelter and keep us safe, so here you will be putting a tick mark. Okay, then because they make us look rich, this also could be a reason, so we can put a tick mark over here. Then we have because they protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind and snow, so you have to put a tick mark over here also. Because they keep us safe from wild animals and snake, this is also correct, so we will put a tick mark over here. Then here, because they keep us safe from thieves and strangers, this is also right, so we'll be putting a tick mark over here. Because we need a place to cook food, this is also correct, so we will be putting a tick mark. Okay, then we have a fill in the blanks. Okay, all living things need a shelter. A dash protect us from heat, cold and rain. A house protect us. Okay, you can write shelter also, no problem. People build houses depending on the, आपको अभी अभी बताया मैंने, climate, material and the requirement. Okay, then we should keep our house neat and clean. Okay, this will be the answer. After this we have come to know about the different type of houses. The very first one is sack, which is made by the waste material. This is a hut which is made by poor people in the village with rocks, mud and bamboos or wood and thatches. Okay, then we have the house made in the cold regions, that is cottage. Okay, then farmhouse. Okay, after this we have the tent and caravan. Okay, tent is there, though, which is used by the nomads, and caravan is there. Then a houseboat, which we will find in the Dal Lake or in Kashmir. Okay, then stilt, which is built in Assam. Okay, if I am staying in Assam, I'll build a stilt. If I am staying in Simla, I'll build a cottage. Okay, then we have learned about the apartment. Okay, then can we make one such house which can protect us from heavy rain and snow, and can even protect us at places like Arctic areas or Canada? So you have to think and write. Okay, yes, this type of houses can be built. Okay, then did you know? Here I explained you before only in the previously only, house in hilly regions. House in hilly regions have sloping roof, so that the rainwater and snow can slide off the roof. Houses on plains have flat roofs. People often sleep on the roofs during the hot summer nights. Okay, and then we have the let's try to. So this one is a stilt house, and this one is an apartment. Okay, what the question is, answer the following in your notebook. Okay, identify the type of houses shown below and write their name. Okay, So this one is a houseboat and this one is a tent. Now question is, what is the type of house do you have? Write down some special features of your house that are not present in any other type of houses. Okay, so आपको एक कैसे टाइप के हाउस में you stay, that you have to tell. Okay, and you have to find out कि what is the special thing about your house. Then we will come to the let's try 3. Okay, so we have to match this with the type of houses. We have done this, and very first we will write this one is apartment, tent, then stilt, and this one is a cottage. Okay, so here we will read, Rahul has just shifted to a place where it snows all the time. Which type of house should he choose to live in? Snow wali jagah mein we live in a cottage. Okay, so we will match with the cottage. Then here Surbi is in a place where it rains most of the time. Many times the roads get flooded. Which type of house should her father buy? Okay, so that is the house where always flood is there. Then stilt house they should prefer. Okay. Anil's parents have just moved to a big city. The city is very crowded. There is no place to make big house. Which type of house is best for him? So the apartment is best for him. So he will be, this will be, C will go with apartment. Okay. Then next one, Renu's family always travels from one place to another. They are nomads. They have just arrived in Kutch. They will stay here for some time and then move again. Which type of house is perfect for them? So if you are traveling all the time, so which type of house is perfect? Then it is a type, it is a tent. So with this we can do this let's try 3, and then in next class we will be revising the other parts of the house, other things like a clean house, decoration of house, paintings, all these things we will be discussing in next class. I hope till let's try 3 you have done, or you know all the things. So we had started with let's try 1, let's try 2, and let's try 3. We had completed the type of houses, what is a shelter and why we need a shelter. Okay, with this I am going to complete you end this class, and hope you understood. If you have any doubt you will be asking me, and please read 2 times, at least 2 times you need to read, so that you understand, you find, and if you find anything important like what I said in the video also, you underline it, so that you need not to find when you need to revise it. Okay, revise the chapter, read it properly, and draw the diagrams once again, so you will be having the practice. Whatever diagram will come, you can do it properly. Okay, with this the class is over. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be very happy. Okay.